Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine. Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello guys. I'll share my screen. I'm audible. Yeah, I think so. All right. So I'll share my analysis on gold. As you can able to see, the market is clearly in uptrend. Look at the move here, and I couldn't able to take trades because I just now I passed my phase one account, so I'm just waiting for my phase two account. But this is a fantastic rally, and again, if you want to go for a trade now, again as I said, never enter at highs. Okay, the market is at a very good a premium range. If you want to go for buy trade, always it's better you can just wait for the market to fall a bit. You need a discounted price. Even if the market takes support from this particular resistance level, it is good to go for a trade. But as of now, taking entries at highs is actually it's very risky. Anytime the market may reverse, so don't risk now. But clearly the market is bullish. Even we'll also check Nasdaq too. Look at the Nasdaq. I've checked the 1 hour time frame. Look at this. Look at the put. So the market been trending from 3rd August. Look at the move here. So the market is continuously making higher highs. So whenever the market is giving a retracement, it has started making new highs. And again the market fell. And again the market is taking support. And even look at the 1 hour closing. Yeah, so look at the candle here. The market actually closed above this level, and again the market retraced back, and then it has rebalanced the FEG, and again it started moving on the higher side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for a manipulation to happen in the lows. I'll wait for the market to fall below, and if it manipulates and then if it start reversing, I'll just go for a trade and I'll target these highs. This will be my maximum target because we do have many imbalances that is left unfilled. Look at the move here. So the moves are very strong. So anytime we can expect a reversal too. So I'm just going to wait for the market to fall a bit, and then once the market retraces back, and then again if it starts moving on the high side, I'll just go for the trade. Wow, gold is looking good. Okay, I'll just go for short entry now. This seems good. Let's scalp some points, but I can trade in my still phase two account is not arrived at. Okay, I'll go with the demo account. Done. So I shorted the market. I entered around this level, slightly higher, yeah. And I'm going to keep my stop loss above this particular strong momentum candle. And where I'm going to target, initially my target will be this low. And if it breaks further, I'll just adjust accordingly. Okay, discussion. We don't have major news. We do have a news, but it is not a high impact news. Like it is a medium impact news at 7:30 p.m. Till then, like it is good to go. And this is a good entry. Yeah, it is a good entry. If there is any pullback in between, like I'll just move my stop loss to break even. Even I can expect till this level. This is a good target to focus on. But let's see. Okay, 5 minute candle closed. Sorry. Hi, live Ashraf. I think it is actually taking support from this particular Fiji. Let's see if it is becoming an inverse or not. If it closes above this level, like then it will this particular FEG will turn to inverse and then the market will again retrace and then this particular FEG will act as a resistance now. So it will resist and then again it may fall further. So my actual target would be this particular resistance level. So still the market is bullish, like I'm just scalping few points. So I'm just expecting the market to fall further and then it may take support from this level. This is just my expectation. It may fail also, but this is my actual target. I'm just waiting for the market to touch this level and then again it may bounce back. So this is my view on gold. Let's see. Sorry. I want a strong closure below these lows. It is taking support. Sorry. I need a strong closure below this particular Fiji to continue with the trade, to continue with my target. The support is actually pretty good. Let's see if it rejects this level, then I might still hold this trade. Or if it closes above this level, like most likely the market will reverse on the higher side. The closure is good. The green candle closure is actually pretty good. Come on. Okay, it is a good sign. Let's see. I want a strong closure. Actually, the market went up and then it resisted this particular FEG and then again started moving on the downside. It is a good sign as of now. Still, the market is bearish, and I don't want to risk further, so I'm just moving my stop loss to break even. I will also adjust here. Still 2.5 minutes left. Let's see. I need a strong closure. Good, 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 good. Wow. If someone doesn't trade, just like change your stop loss to break even, shift your stop loss to break even. Don't risk your profits now. Actually, the momentum is not that good. It is actually moving very slow. Sorry. If someone knows like MMXM model, market maker sell model or market maker buy model, this is a classic example for it. Like if you're a scalper, this is a classic example for MMXM. So when it comes to MMXM, like you have to target the lows, or even you can target the failed order blocks like this level, these level, and yeah, one more level. So these order blocks will act as a low resistance liquid trend. Even you can target these lows. This is also a low resistance liquid trend, or you can target the failed order blocks too. Like if whenever the order blocks fails, like you can just oh, that's a strong push. It's going to hit my target. Again, my actual target would be this particular resistance level. So I'm like, even you can shift the target to this high, but you have to be careful with the trade management. Like you have to shift your stop loss very quickly. You have to trail your stop loss if you want to risk further. And also, like it's better you can just close like 40 to 50% of your position, and then you can hold the trade till this level. Let me just do it. Closing it. Done. Okay, I almost closed 80% of my position. Like now I'm going to hold my trade till this level, and also my stop loss is break even now. Sorry. Almost. Did anyone took this trade? Anyone? Our target is done, guys. Like again, like the market reached the support level, you can just close your position. Like if you're into trade, even 100% is good. Again, like if you want to risk further, we can hold your trade till this position. This is a good target too. But again, like we reached a very good liquidity point, so it's better to close the trade. Or if you want to risk further, you can just close 90% of your position and then you can hold further till this level. And I'm going to move my stop loss to, no, this is going to be stop loss. See, I closed 90% of my position. Like I'm just going to trail my stop loss to risk further. Let's see if it is hitting this target or not. Good, good, good. Momentum is actually spiking up. Oh, oh. Then I'm going to close my position. Okay, I'm done with the trade, guys. So yeah, this is a fantastic trade. Like we entered around this level and we kept our stop loss here. And this is my actual target and it's achieved. Sorry, I kept my stop loss here. So it is a 1:5 trade, and we shifted our stop loss. Like we trailed our stop loss, we shifted our stop loss to break even, and then again, like I just wanted to hold my trade till this level, and I trailed my 10% position to this level, but it eventually failed. So anyone took this trade? Nasdaq is actually consolidating. But again, like if you look at 1 hour time frame, like it is bullish. But I'm not a big fan of taking trades at highs. So even like the market may move further on the higher side too, and also keep this in mind, like the market is actually near a round level. These round levels will act as a very good sentimental level. This will act as a resistance too. So and also keep this in mind, like we do have many imbalances that is left unfilled. So anytime the market may fall, and then it will balance all these prices, and then again it may bounce back. So market is bullish, but if you want me to like if you ask me whether I should go for buy or sell, like I'd rather prefer to go for sell, because the market already went up huge. So like again, like even if I go for sell trade, like it is not a reversal entry. Like I'm not expecting the trend to change completely. Still I'm bullish, but these imbalances that will be filled. So I'll just go for a sell entry to scalp these levels, and then I'll exit. Again, if the market gave you a very good entry in a discounted level, for example, let's say if the market fell and then it balances all these FEGs, and then again if it bounces back on the higher side, you can just go for a trade, because like your stop loss will be very minimal, your risk is very minimal, and you can easily target 1:3, 1:4 RR trades. So this is my plan on Nasdaq. Oh, oh, look at the goal now. See, it actually reversed from the exact target. The candle closure is also very good. It is actually closing above this level. So this will turn to an IFEG. So what we can expect is the market may reverse and it will take support from this FEG and it will go on the higher side. But we scalped beautifully. It's a very good entry. We targeted this low and they extended my target till this level. It eventually failed, but our first target actually hits. Sorry. Okay, guys. We'll end the stream today and no more trades. Like if you took this trade, like it is actually a very good entry. Close for the day. Don't risk again. See you all in a new stream. Okay. Bye bye.